guys, this is Bidisha from Mermaid Bidisha, and I have with me today
Komal from KomalMeansDelicate, and we're doing a collab.
Yes, so today we are going to meet some of our friends, and we thought why not get ready in the car, and this is her car. I just got inside and I have...
She's my passenger for the today.
Yeah, and we have a lot of makeup, so we'll get ready with you guys today together. And I have some questions as well from some of my friends, and Komal also has some questions. And while we do our makeup, we'll keep talking about it. We'll talk through and answer all your questions. Anything you want to add in?
No, just follow me. So,
Follow her.
follow me and follow her. Please,
please
click subscribe, like, give her all the vibes.
And also, you can see we are not... We have
Ready.
not done any makeup whatsoever, just a little bit of sunscreen. So what we'll do today is start from scratch. We'll start with our foundation, then concealer, and take it from there. So let's get
Actually,
started.
I go backwards. So I do my eyes first and then. But we'll do our own.
See, you'll get to see.
Yeah.
You know, there are different perspectives for Get Ready With Me videos, and you
Yeah.
get to see both
Yeah.
in the same place.
Yeah, you'll get to see.
So, Komal, what do you start with?
First, I'm just showing this, the beauty blogger thing. This is the mirror I'm using. So if I'm looking down, this is why I'm using my mirror.
And also, where's my mirror? That's a good
I mean, I need to put my mirror
Okay,
somewhere.
I
eventually have to use this.
I need a mirror. I need a mirror. Okay,
Okay, you know
that's why I'm
Oh my god!
inside
You're
the car.
genius.
That's why I'm inside the
we
car.
got these mirrors ready. This is actually pretty good for
Yeah.
me. Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll first take my Catrice Cosmetics HD Liquid Coverage Foundation that claims lasts up to 24 hours. Focus. Yeah. So this claims that it lasts for 24 hours. The reason why I'm using it today is because it's mattifying. Memphis is getting hot. This one is waterproof and sweat proof and has niacinamide. So I was really wanting to use this today for this hot humid weather. What about you?
I start the opposite. So I start with my brows. This is just an Ulta Beauty fiber tint. I don't know how to do brows. This is just nice because it is like a mascara and you just put it on your eyebrows. Easy peasy for every day. I take this guy and I brush my brows and then put this on top. So that's usually my first step.
I already started. So
I was like talking.
I was like telling Komal that we are running a little bit late,
But it's okay.
but it's okay.
I
It's
feel
not
like
that.
everyone's gonna run. Everyone usually is late too. So.
Yeah. Basic problems.
Besides us, like today, I'm usually on time, and Bidisha was on time today, and I was like, crap. The one time Bidisha is on time. Actually, no, you're always on time. I can't even.
Blends seamlessly. I like such lightwear products on my skin, especially during summertime, because I don't like too much heavy makeup during this time because I know it's gonna melt.
Especially in Memphis.
Yeah.
Like, guys, it's already 90 degrees today. I have shorts
know.
on. Bidisha, for some reason, has pants on. I don't understand this, but it's
No,
just,
but my pants are breezy pants. You know,
they're easy breezy
easy
summer
breezy.
pants.
Yeah.
So there you go, my brows are done and now I look like a wig. So my next step, I just use this classic Urban Decay primer
this is
potion.
classic.
It's just,
OG.
I've gone through like probably 10 of these over the
Wow.
course of just when the beauty blogger world started. And then I switched to other primers, but I always go back to this one.
Right.
It's just good stuff.
It's good stuff. I do
and
agree.
it's just worth the money and it
Right.
lasts forever. I'm still going through it. So.
And I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible
Oh.
concealer with my blending brush. I like to use blending brush when I'm concealing.
Oh yeah, I just use my fingers. I feel like it blends better.
So
Everyone's
I'll,
different.
I'll just apply on my under eye area.
So
and
just, oh sorry. go
over
on.
here. That's it.
Just so you guys know, Bidisha is the beauty blogger and I'm the fashion blogger.
Yes.
So you'll see the difference between how we use our makeup. Like she is definitely so much more professional and I'm just like using my fingers. So now I'm actually going to be using this. We're not using the mirror, but I'm going to use this Tarte Toasted Palette. Again, classic, great for brown skin tones. Especially when you are of South Asian skin, you're sometimes lighter and darker like me and Bidisha still have
Right.
different skin tones even though we're both South Asian.
Right.
But this goes for every type of tan-ish beige skin tone. I feel like it goes very well. So I start with just like this nude thingy on top, that first one, and I just put it all over my eye just as a base to let that primer set because sometimes when I don't put this base, the eyeshadows stick to it and it doesn't blend well. So
Right.
I just put this as a base shade.
And today I'm using minimal products because I got a request to make a video on everyday get ready with me. Keeping that theme in mind, I wanted to use something that has multi-purpose utility, and I don't have to carry too many things. So I had this, believe it or not, I had this product called Beauty Pot eyeshadow from LA Colors. I got this from dollar store. And the reason I didn't use it, I was waiting for this moment. Look at this pan.
So pretty.
So pretty, and it's like giving me a spring summer vibe.
Yeah.
You can just mix it up with your fingertips and just apply on the go, like if you're driving your car, just
And it has 3 shades, like you can blend it, make it a nice
in a parking
one.
lot you can just apply on your lids.
Like
So this is the reason why I'm using all
And it's
minimal
travel
products.
friendly.
Exactly,
I
and
love
it's
that.
so tiny, just
Oh, so
one
cute.
stuff. And even if you don't want to mix it, you take it single, from one side. Like you take this one, or sometimes you take this one. So it's different shade each time.
I love that.
So, and I'm going to use my fingertip this time, keeping the daily makeup theme in mind, which takes you like hardly 5 to 7 minutes. Pigmented.
I'm gonna use this over here. Oh my god, can you guys see that one? As a transition shade with this brush, which is Real Techniques, which again, if you guys know the story of Real Techniques, they were beauty bloggers and they made their own brush line.
Right.
So supporting the community
Right.
is always what it's about. Let me see your eyes. You're gonna just have fun.
I'm going to do another step to this. So the next step that I'm going to do is, once I applied this, once I added this wash of color on my lids, I'm talking about utility stuff, right? So next I'm going to take this blush duo I had from Wet n Wild.
Wet n Wild is really good.
Oh yeah. So I'm going to take this blush as a color for the crease and apply on the crease just to add in some warmth.
I'm actually using this color that's called Warmth with the little blender brush, and I'm going to go on the outer V to just give me some dimension. And it's a girl's day, want to dress a little, you know, look a little cute. So that one with this little paddle brush, it's just a classic MAC brush. If you guys know, you know,
Right.
old school MAC. And I just put it on like 1/4 of my eye and blend that middle in. I feel like this little shimmer shade is really nice for spring and summer, and again, it's good for our skin tones, and I just like the way it looks.
Applying a kohl liner. Now this is the Sugar Cosmetics kohl liner. I got this from India when I visited India in January. This is so pigmented, and this was actually gifted by my friend Devlina. So shout out to you, Devlina. So this I'm going to apply on my waterline and tight line. This is what I do. I just close my lids and see how pigmented it is.
To blend it out again.
Right. And then I'm taking my favorite mascara all time. I have to again restock this. I keep buying this. This is the
Essence
Essence.
is so good. Oh my
There
god.
are so many different mascaras from Essence, but this particular one, I love Extreme Volume Mascara. Perfect for my lashes.
Like mascara, you don't need to spend a lot of money on. Like
Exactly.
people have all the high-end mascara, guys. It's all the same. It's all about the brush. So that looks like a nice brush.
Yeah.
I'm going in again. Essence. Just Essence kohl liner. It's just I just do I do my tight line on the top just so it makes my lashes look thicker. I do not put it on the bottom lash, so just go in and do that little.
Oh, you just do on the tight line?
Yeah,
Okay.
I messed it up, so I'm gonna fix that.
Okay.
But just the tight line, it makes your lashes look bigger, longer, and I have a lot of people who do think I do my upper eyeliner just because I put this in the tight line. But I'm gonna go in and curl my lashes just with the classic lash curler. So even though I just had this whole spiel that you don't need to spend a lot on mascara, I am using high-end mascara because this was a gift. So I go in with 2 mascaras. So I'm gonna go in with Rare Beauty, and this is
I love Rare
called
Beauty.
Black Mascara. I don't know what the name. I know it's dirty. Excuse that. I go in with this first, And then I top it off with the Tarte Lace Camera Action. This is a little mini size. One is for volume, one is for length. I feel like if you get a volume and length mascara combo, it doesn't do the job right. So that's why I use two, because it just focuses on those separately. I do my eyes first, like I said. So base time, my base is very simple. I'm just gonna go in with the Ulta concealer. It's just good. It's almost done. I go through so many of these. Medium warm is what I use. I go a shade or two lighter because I feel like it just brightens up your under eye. And then if I have any blemishes, I'll go in with my actual shade. I use a different, I just get the same one in like my actual shade, which is like a shade or two darker. So it says full coverage liquid concealer. I honestly just go like this. And I blend it in with my fingers.
I love this Ulta Travel Blush Brush for makeup. So I'm going to take the same product. I'm going to use same stuff in different ways. So I'm taking the same product.
Multi-purpose. That's good.
And apply on my cheek.
I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation. It says full coverage, so that's why I just use a powder because I feel like it covers what I need to. Honey Caramel 320.
My shade is Desert Beige. From L'Oreal is in the shade Caramel. And I'm going to take this golden highlighter.
The NARS Laguna. This is the travel size.
Nice.
Classic little guy. Because it just is great for every kind of skin tone.
So I have this Smith's Rosebud Salve. This I get from the store called Anthropologie, but Komal told me it's also available in Sephora. I'm like, why did I not say it? I'm like, okay.
Can I try a little when you're done? Just because
sure.
Mine is in my other purse.
I love the texture. I love the smell.
Good. I know. Again, one of my, as I was saying, childhood friends worked at Tom Ford, so she would get a lot of samples and then give them over. So yeah, I know.
Next, I'm going to take my lip liner from NYX Cosmetics in the shade Cherry Skies.
Almost done with her makeup. I'm here just in my cheeks. Next, using this Becca Cosmetics. As you guys know, no longer around, but classic Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Opal. This was a trio. I got the Opal, I got the Champagne.
I have this. I have this.
Yeah, it was like a trio a couple of years ago.
I can never throw this away.
You know, it's so good.
So good.
My siblings gifted it to me for Christmas because I knew I needed a new highlighter, and my sister's also a big beauty person like you, so she's like Didi, guys. Didi means older sister in a lot of the Indian languages, and so she was like, Didi, I'm just gonna get you this for Christmas. It's really sweet.
Aww.
So I just do this a little right above that highlighting point, sometimes on my nose, but today's daytime, so I'm not gonna go crazy, just a little bit. It makes your skin pop. Some of these tones are actually not brown skin, so it'll which is really nice in a way because it'll pop more because it's not made for a skin tone. So I like that.
Right.
Because usually with brown skin tones you use more golden highlighters,
right,
but sometimes when you use the silver ones it does pop more. So guys, you don't have to use stuff for your skin tone. Sometimes it works.
Yeah. You should experiment. You should try things out. Whatever works for you.
Yeah, sometimes it works.
And so I'm going to apply my lip products. I'm going to mix two shades. This I got in my March Ipsy Glam bag, and did I get it in March? No, I got in Feb Ipsy Glam bag. This is called Illuminati. I really like this because it's like that kind of pink that really enhances a brown skin tone.
I love, you need like that mauve pink.
And it's not too cool tone, but it's not too warm tone either. And this is a liquid lipstick, so it dries matte. But I'm going to mix with this lip color Sephora Lip Story in the shade, what is it called? Spiked. This is my favorite one out of all the shades. So I keep mixing this with many other colors to experiment because this in itself works really well for my skin tone. If you're looking for a pinky nude shade, this is really good one. But today I'm going to mix these two together.
I'm just going back with my fluffy brush and I'm blending my cheeks out. I think I have a very similar tone. And line my nude liner because it just makes my eyes pop. I have green eyes, so I just like to keep it simple, make sure they pop.
I'm actually done.
Oh.
Eva NYC. I
like their stuff.
Yeah, I love the smell of it, you know.
They have good dry shampoo.
Yeah, so just...
I have this Gerald Cosmetics lip. It's nude in Vintage Rose. I actually used it for one of my wedding events and I still have it. It's still going. It's just a nice basic nude like Bidisha does, blending in her lip color. I'm gonna go in with this Kathleen Light Miami Fever because I have kind of like a orangish outfit on. So, and I also use this a lot in the summer. This is my look. It's finished.
Wow. We're done.
We're done. Oh my god.
It's time to meet our friends. Let's go. Bye.